Hey guys, I have my BoxyLuxe for the month of June. This is my not PR. I don't know what happens to my PR stuff, okay? So I don't even know if it's gonna show up, but we're gonna jump into what's not PR. And here is the card for this month. If you guys haven't seen, it's Dare to Dazzle. My edition is 532. And we're gonna go ahead and jump into what I got. I'll tell you guys what is my choice product. Okay, first thing in here, I'm just gonna grab the product out because it's a bigger box. So the first thing in here that I see is the NARS Orgasm. I was so in love with this blush. It was a cult favorite for so long. I remember when it first came out, it was like all the rave. And I don't mind that I'm getting it here because I had actually decluttered this from my collection because mine was so old. And it is just a gorgeous peachy gold. I know that it doesn't seem like anything special now because so many products have come out, but back in its day, nothing like this had come out, and a lot of people were also just, you know, all over the fact that it was called Orgasm and it's supposed to give you like that glow from when you get one. So I think that it was like all the rage because of that. These NARS blushes are worth $30. Next thing in here that I see is this big bottle. What is this? Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. Holy moly, this thing is huge. It's 16.9 fluid ounces. You will be washing your hands for a hot minute. And it's an invigorating hand wash, power packed and uplift your senses. And I can literally like smell it from here. It has that very herbally like outside smell. It actually smells really good to me. And this, what brand are you? Smith French Dublin. This is worth $25. It is freaking huge, so it will last you a long time. And it is made in Ireland, so that's really cool. And it is, I wish it would have been like a body wash, but it uplifts the senses and is used, like it's made from locally sourced ingredients from Dublin, from Ireland. So that's pretty cool. Next thing in here is the NYS. Ooh, and this was actually my choice. This is Clarkson Avenue. So these are actually sunglasses. And I was kind of surprised to see that sunglasses were actually one of the choice products. Oh, these are cute. Look at that. They is fancy. And look at the little gold tip at the bottom. So I picked these out. Look how cute those are. Yes, mama's gonna be rocking these all summer. And the little bag is a nice little sturdy bag to put them in. And these are worth $35. So these are reasonably priced. Okay, sorry about that. I was dropping shit, but these are $35, which is pretty reasonably priced. I don't pay a lot of money for very fancy sunglasses. So really, really nice. And that was one of my choices. The next product is a little orange box, and this is the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. It has pumpkin, acerola, cherry, and mango butter. That sounds so good. And this is worth $38. So, ooh, she is orange. It doesn't smell bad. Their original yellow one, I did not care for the smell of it. It had like a very medicinal smell. This smells a lot better. It doesn't have anything way too strong. It's also more of a creamier texture. I like balms that aren't way too hard and like goopy. And this is more of a creamy kind of cleanser, which I like. So it's buttery and brightening cleanser. And it is formulated with pumpkin enzymes and rich in AHAs to help brighten skin. It has mango butter and chia seed oil to nourish and hydrate your skin as well. So, ooh, and this is a new launch. So, yay! Hopefully I will love that. Next thing in here is this Aromatherapy Revive. Oh, it's a body gel. It energizes and awakens. It has grapefruit, rosemary, and juniper, and it's supposed to massage into your skin. You're supposed to focus it on your hips, thighs, stomach, ankles, and feet. Okay, why are those my areas of concern? But it's supposed to give your skin tone, texture, and maintain a healthy glow. Hopefully I will like the smell of this. This is worth $46, so she is pricey. I don't know why I say she for everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and just, oh, it's a gel. This is a gel. Ooh, oh God. Oh no. I don't like the smell of this. Oh, it has like, I don't even know. It smells like I was just in the hospital or something. I don't know. Yeah, no, why? No, God, no. We're just gonna go ahead and jump into the next product. So this is the Avant Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. It has like 1,000 things that it does here. It has collagen, isoparaffin, mint, vitamin B3, lactic. It has a whole bunch of crap, okay? And it's basically just like to help plump your lips. And yeah, so it has all these nice ingredients, and this is this is ridiculously priced is what it is. It's $122. Nah, boo. No. For $122, it better make me look like I have lip fillers, and I'm sure this shit does not do that. So yeah, I don't even know. Basically it says that it's supposed to hydrate, plump, it's supposed to be non-sticky, and the lactic acid helps to lighten the pigmentation of your lips. No. The next product is by Dr. Brandt, and I absolutely love him. I love the skincare. It's a triple antioxidant face cream. It helps smooth wrinkles and helps prevent signs of aging. And this is $64, and his products are actually really great. They even have the limited edition or the special packaging for Pride Month, which is so cute, and it says #say I love you. So really enjoy that. Then the last product in here is the Luxie Florals brush set. I actually picked this out. I just thought it was super cute. Look at how cute the little bag in purple. And then when you open it, it has a Luxie sponge in mint green, and the brushes are all like pretty mint. So those are them right there. I want to say this was my choice. I'm almost sure that it is, but I absolutely love Luxie brushes, and when they have like special colored handles, I don't know why I gravitate towards them too. So there's a flat brush, a liner brush, a chunky little crease brush, and another flat all over shader brush. And here they are out of the packaging. I do feel like the eyeliner one is a little too thick, but they are nice. I really enjoy the color of these. These are absolutely just beautiful. This mint color kind of goes with my makeup today. And I will try out their sponge. I don't think I've ever tried their sponge. It looks tiny though, like compared to a lot of other ones. This seems more like a concealer kind of sponge. Anyways, that is all for my Luxe box this month. Let me know, what were your choices? What did you like? What did you not like? I definitely, this stinks so bad, and I will have the total around here of how much my box was, and this ridiculously priced. So yeah, we ain't even gonna talk about that. Anyways, that is all. Overall, I think it's a good box. I wouldn't say that I'm overly excited. I just, there's enough here for me to justify the price point of the box, especially between the Luxie, the Dr. Brandt, the NARS, the Elemis, the sunglasses. This is kind of like weird to me that it's in the box, the hand wash, but I don't know. This stinks, and then the lip thing is way too overpriced. So that's basically the deets on my box. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. If you're new or haven't subscribed, there's a little button you can subscribe if you want to keep watching my content. Apparently if you like it, that kind of helps. And I have social media if you ever want to follow me over there. So see you guys in the next one.